Hey guys, so today we'll be reviewing this AstroAI foam cannon, and you can see the supplies I'm using right here. I've just been mudding in my car, so I have water spots and mud stains all over the car. Here's what's on the hood. And here's a side view. You can see all that mud. Even on the back, you can see it. Mud is everywhere. Right now, I'm knocking off all the loose debris with just a jet nozzle on that Ryobi pressure washer. I've attached the AstroAI foam cannon and filled it up halfway with a water mixture. And right now I'm playing around with the settings. That's no soap right there, and I've turned it all the way soap on the top dial. And now I'm changing the spray pattern all the way open, and you can see it closes up. And I'm figuring out what works for my system right now. I like the way that's getting on the car, so I'm covering that whole side in a nice thick coat of foam. Getting a good scrub down to make sure that I'm knocking off the rest of that debris and working that soap into the paint. Get a good rinse on. And this is the final product. This is just a wash and dry. There is no wax or no paint treatment on here. This is just the foam cannon and that turtle wax soap. It shines up this 130,000 mile paint pretty well.